tiramisu al limoncello. Most of you know tiramisu, and of course you're thinking of that coffee-soaked Savoiardi cake that's delicious and moist. Well, basically the same technique, but I'm gonna make it limoncello. And lemon is nice and perky, and of course, limoncello liqueur is so good, so let's use it. And to soak those Savoiardis, we need a syrup, some water, some limoncello. This is the limoncello liqueur that you all like, lemon juice, and sugar. So here we are. You're gonna cook this until the sugar melts into it and some of the alcohol dissipates. I'm gonna put the pot with the syrup on the back burner until the syrup dissolves. And this is a pot of water almost to the boiling point where we're gonna make the zabaglione on top of it. But before, zabaglione is sugar, is limoncello, egg yolk, and now here I have the water that's almost to the boiling point. The water will not touch this, otherwise the eggs will curdle, but I need that heat of the water to actually make the zabaglione. And we keep on whisking. While I'm doing this, let me see, the sugar has melted here, so I'm going to shut that one off and let it cool. So keep on whisking it until it gets a nice custardy, almost like a curd. And I think this one is ready. We'll let it cool, and then we'll fold it with the mascarpone. Spoon desserts are a whole category, and a well-liked category, loved, should I say, in the Italian dessert. But it's kind of layers of delicious flavors, and flavors that are familiar, whether it's coffee, whether it's hazelnuts, chocolate, and so pulling together with some cheese, mascarpone, ricotta, those combinations end up in delicious spoon desserts. All the components are ready for the limoncello tiramisu. Let's assemble it. So here I have the mascarpone, which is soft. I kind of pulled it out of the refrigerator for half an hour or so I can mix it. Lots of lemon rinds right in here. Let's mix that well. Here is the zabaglione custard. Okay, let's mix that in there. As you can see, it's getting tastier and more complex. Let's get this really mixed well, because now we're gonna add egg whites, which we have separated and whipped. And you know, whenever you add egg whites to any batter or anything, the idea is to fold them in gently. What you want from them is that lightness. So no whisking here, just folding it in. And if you happen to see a little kind of egg white in between, that's perfectly fine. Do not overmix it. Once it's in the layer format, it will kind of just disappear. So this is the syrup that has chilled, where I'm gonna soak the Savoiardi. And these are the Savoiardi. And you know, almost one by one. If you let them soak in there too much, they will fall apart on you. So be quick at it. Because then they get the moisture from the filling as well. So here we are. Put them snug. And then, of course, you can break them as you get toward the end and make them fit. And I'm going to make filling, another layer of the Savoiardi, and then top it with the filling. Okay, so let's finish the tiramisu the tiramisu is assembled and it's ready to be put in the refrigerator. Cover it with a plastic wrap and let it rest for about 4 or 5 hours, although it is better overnight in the refrigerator. The limoncello is already here and it's nice and settled. Spoon it out, I think it's the easiest way. Just like that. And you have a nice, like a parfait glass, or you can do it in a plate as well. Let's see, then I'll go in here. I made here some lemon peels, just tossed in granulated sugar, and it makes a great topping. And I think it is ready to be enjoyed. And let me taste now.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.